Video on a 4K Ultra camcorder, high definition. All right, now I got everything out, and we're going to have a look at it. Now it comes with your instructions, comes with a HD cable, lens cover here, camera, case, cleaning cloth, 2 batteries, wall, so that'd be USB to 120. You've got your remote, you've got your external camera, you got your handle which goes up on top, and you got obviously your plug-in for the camera. Now this comes with a 32 gig SD card. Now that sits right here, you can see that, and that goes right in there. Now your battery goes right in here. Oh, it goes that way. Okay, and you get that out, you just clip this little thing over top here, and it pops out, right? Okay, so close that up. Back here is your HD cable, your power, your microphone there. This is on off. You've got a charging light, you got a busy light, you've got your take a photo with that, you got your zoom here, you've got your slide plate for your microphone right there, like that. So slide that on there like that, and obviously your lens. Okay, so that just tells you all the stuff you got to have there. And then when you put that baby together, obviously you take that and you put it on here, and oops, sorry, wrong way, and we'll get that assembled here in a minute. Yeah, one thing I want to do for you guys, and I don't see anybody doing it, you can't find it anywhere, is how big this camera is. And that is roughly 5 inches. Okay, by 2 inches. So that's, now you know how big that camera is, okay? I think that's super important when you're looking at a picture or whatever. It looks like it's huge, but it's not. Okay, so we're going to get this set up. Okay, got this thing assembled, and the microphone is on. It's plugged in the back. I got my lens deflectors on, and I got my handle on. Now, I noticed that you have to take this handle off in order to get that battery out. You can't just turn it like this and get the battery out. It won't open. So you have to take this off in order to change the battery and get it your card. Okay, now I noticed one more thing is kind of cool actually, is this handle comes down, so you can go like that, or you gotta pull this out and you can drop this down and you can handle that like that. That's kind of a neat little thing. And then obviously when you put that back up, you can put your mic back in and all that kind of stuff. So all right, let's shoot that and see what the video looks like. Okay, we got everything charged up, microphone's charged up, battery's charged up on the camera, and we're going to go through this. This is the remote here, and we're going to go through the remote inside the screen. So if you push mode, it'll go to that screen right there, and then you can go across and push camera, playback, setup, slideshow, Wi-Fi, and it has its own app. And we go across and push video, and we can go to video. Actually, we're to set up first, and if we go in there, you can do all kinds of stuff in there. And this is a touch screen, so you can do that. 50 hertz, 60 hertz, and then we go back. We can go back again, and we go to setup in here, and that's the same thing, right? So you can do it that way. Now if you do that, and we go back here, and we push menu on here. Oh, wait a minute. Setup. Go to mode, menu, and that, I don't know, something. Oh, that is, I don't know. I don't know, there's a stage I'm missing there, but anyway, I'm just giving you an example of what you can do in this thing. So you go in here and you push video, and there we go. Now we're going to play. So if I hit play right here, okay, oh, right here, that's what it is. I hit video, that's why. Video and camera. So that's the difference. Okay, so now we got video going on, and then it's taking my photo and all that kind of stuff, or my video, and we'll see what kind of quality we have and sound. So I'm right up by the camera, and this is on, what's it on? It's on 0 dB, and it's got 20 dB for further away. So let's see what it sounds like. There it is right there. See that? 20 dBs obviously for outside, and if you're further away and type thing, right? So let's see how far I can get back without losing major quality on that microphone. So if I get back here, I'm not sure how it sounds. I got a pretty rough voice, right? So I'm back here now, and that's probably 8 feet. So we'll see what that sounds like. And now we're going to switch that mic over to 20 dB. Okay, so now that's switched over 20 dB, and we'll see what that sounds like. And I'm back here again about 8 feet. We'll see what that sounds like. Pretty cool, eh? Now I hope the picture's good, because I got it set on 4K, and we'll see what happens. All right, go from there.